Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to make a video on smoky eye makeup. Smoky eyes look really pretty and it can go on with any look, be it a party look or a shoot look or a wedding look. Matlab, it can go with your ethnic, it can go with your westerns, it can go with anything. So I hope you guys like my video. If you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe my channel. Also please like my video, and also if you have any queries you can just comment below and I'll definitely make it a point to solve all your queries. And let's get started. Today I am doing the makeup for the shoot, so I would like to give my eyes the smoky look. And so for the eyeshadow I use the palettes from Revolution. I got these three beautiful palettes from Hope Beauty at just rupees 1700, which I thought was a really great deal, and so I just can't stop myself but buy these. So for smoky eyes I'll start with applying the basic skin tone first and then jump onto the color black. So for applying the base I am using a normal flat brush and I'll be using this skin color, if you can see guys. So I'll just use a skin color. I am just giving a base, remember. Okay, so now that we have completed the base, let's start with the black eyeshadow. And so for that I am using this flat brush, another flat brush. Don't use the same brush for light and dark eyeshadows, always remember. So same color I'll be using under my eyes as well. I'm not using kajal today, and I'll be using this only to blend in and make it a smudgy look. Okay. So now what I'll do is I'll quickly take the this is the blending brush, okay, and so I'll use this pink shade, if you can see this pink shade, and I'll just start blending in above this black shadow. This eye and in this eye, this looks pretty well blended. Finish up the look. What you can do is you can just take a highlighter. Maybe I am using Huda Beauty highlighter. Okay, so I am just taking a white highlighter and I am just applying here so that same ways I'll just do it here. Yeah, it's done. Also, if you feel that this smoky is not enough and you want to add some glitter, or if you are going for a night party and if you want to add some more glitters, what you can do is you can just take any glitter. Like I have this golden glitter here. Golden glitter here, if you can see. So I'll just take a little on my brush and I'll just dab in the center. So you can see the difference. Same ways you can do it on the other side as well. So now that we have finished with our eyeshadow, let's apply the mascara. So you take this eyelash curler and just curl your lashes. Okay. And now I am using Lakme Iconic mascara and I'll just quickly apply it. Okay, now finally my eye makeup is complete.